Welcome to Mendiola Remodeling and Construction, where your vision, your style, and your story come together to turn your house into a home you truly love. With over 25 years of experience, we design every detail around your lifestyle. Step into custom built-in closets especially crafted to maximize storage and style. Enjoy cozy evenings by a stunning new fireplace, where warmth meets timeless design. Our certified HVAC systems keep every room perfectly comfortable year-round, while our licensed plumbing ensures your mornings flow smoothly. And with expert electrical work including lighting, rewiring, and surge protection, we keep your home safe, modern, and fully functional. At Mendiola Remodeling, we bring craftsmanship and care to every corner of your home. Talk to us today. The right time to create the home you've been waiting for is now.